Good morning, lecturers. My name is Lin Lim Ziling, metric number 198193. Today, I am going to present my final project for IND 3103 Technology Design Studio. My design here is Top Drive V8. The name is given according to the vacuum cleaner technology by Dyson. This is my design panel. The background for my creation that in the future, the world will be highly polluted by humans and the beaches will be the worst of most. They will be filled with rubbish. Humans' irresponsible acts are ruining the world day by day. The future will never be like Utopia if we did not act up. Due to the size of the beach, it will be almost impossible to clear them with manpower. Hence, this vehicle I designed is to solve this problem. My group came out with a design statement, which is to design an environmental cleaning vehicle with artificial intelligence technology to enhance the environment condition efficiently. For my design, the design concept is to develop a sci-fi smart beach cleaning vehicle using vacuum with a smart waste management system and corporate design of Dyson. At the side here, these are the design development I made during the process. And this right here is the final design and the final look of my vehicle. There are some design criteria in my design, and the partnership my group chose is Dyson. The people is a beach cleaning worker, and the philosophy behind the design is that in the far future, our beach will be so polluted that people could hardly walk on it. The beach will be filled with rubbish, and there is no price to it. How this vehicle works is that the trash detector in front spot the rubbish on the beach. The vacuum cleaner will selectively suck in trash only on the beach but not the sand. Then the trash gets sorted at the smart waste sorter. The plastic waste goes into the smart waste management system, while the rest gets stored at the dumping tray to be thrown away. The plastic waste converts into fuel for the vehicle to work. This is a very good design because it does not need to waste any fossil fuel for the engine to work. The plastic waste will be converted into fuel for this vehicle. There are a few technologies I applied into this vehicle. First is the smart waste management system. The waste gets transferred from the vacuum to the ballistic separator to sort the waste according to plastic, hazardous, organic and recyclable waste. The plastic waste will go to the liquefier chamber while the rest are stored in the dumping tray. The furnace converts liquid plastic to crude oil. Hydrotreaters convert crude oil to fuel. They are then stored in the oil tank to be used by the vehicle. Next is holographic control panel. There is a 3D holographic projector at the dashboard that projects the interactive holographic control panel in front of the driver. The screen shows the tank storage level, map to show where the rubbish are, and some other controls to work the machine. Lastly is the intelligent vacuum cleaner. Embedded with artificial intelligence and capacitive detector, it is able to detect any trash nearby and selectively suck in the trash only instead of the sand on the beach. At the side here, we have the graphics shown on the vehicle, which are the icons showing the type of waste that will be disposed here. Here shows a simple orthographic view of the vehicle. This is the package drawing of my design. The vehicle is around 3 meter tall, 3 meter width and 4 meter long. A larger space is needed due to the complicated smart waste management system at the tank. The 3D holographic control panel is projected in front of the driver at eye and arm level. There is ample leg space and head space for the driver to work in comfort. So this is my poster. I made it by creating a cutout filter and dual tone gradient. I made it this way to create a cyberpunk look and a cartoony style. I also did some shadowing and highlighting and added some effects such as the sand dust flying up, the smoke and the lights. Next is the animation of Top Drive V8. That's all from me. Thank you very much.